What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another really delayed video. This is a bit of an update for you guys where the Hilux, what I've been doing, why I haven't been uploading. So it's gonna be one take. I'm gonna get this done. The Hilux is still around. I'll show you it in 2 seconds, but if you do want to stick around, and thank you for 20,000 followers, guys. That is insane, and 35,000 on TikTok. You guys are blowing it out of the water. Look, Hilux is bang over there chilling. And yes, the wrap isn't finished on this side, but it's on the other side. But I actually kind of want to change it because I really don't like that color, and there's a few things that I messed up on it. And that's why that's not done. I do have a Kraken Engineering airbox coming in for the snorkel as well. So that's going in as well. There'll be a video showing you guys that. And I want to know some thoughts on getting a deep purple for the wrap and redoing the car. And obviously I can't do the tray anymore because my brother doesn't have a welder. So I'm just going to continue. I've fallen, like, I didn't really want to make Hilux videos for like the last few months. I sort of just have been smashing mountain bike riding, uploading on TikTok, doing shorts and stuff. I'm sure you guys understand, like, you go hard in or something and then you get sort of sick of it. And to be honest, I sort of like faster cars, and I really want to get another fast car, but I do have the 180. But don't worry, I'll continue to do the Hilux. I own it outright, so I should finish it off for you guys and do some more videos for you because I do like making videos. So don't go anywhere, stay subscribed, hit the notification bell to know when I upload every Sunday. Go follow my TikTok at Mezzarino and Instagram to know where I'm forward driving, where I'm riding and all that stuff. There will be riding videos coming as well, so if you love that, let me know in the comments down below, and let me know what other videos you want to see on the channel, like just camping, not so much like going hectic forward driving and all that stuff. And thank you so much again for subscribing, and if you're new, subscribe. We're almost at 25,000 subscribers. Let's get there, and I'll see you guys in the next video.